1401 Wrigley Road in Ayr. This house has to be seen to be believed, especially the pool area. If you like to entertain, this is the house for you. Come on in, let's check it out. It's going to be amazing. Once you're inside the large front entryway, welcome to the huge living room. There is so much space here to entertain family. You have a gas fireplace. You have the walkout here to the deck so you can see the whole yard from there. There's a dining room over behind by the front. There's a little space here for your everyday eating. And then you're into the kitchen. So everything that you need is right here on the main floor when you're entertaining. It's perfect. You can talk to everyone still. You can see everybody and be part of the party. This home has true bungalow living. So on the other side of the home that we are calling the East Wing, there are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom for guests. And then you have this primary suite. So often I get asked if there is laundry available on the main floor. And absolutely yes, it has it, but we'll do one better. Laundry here is actually in the bathroom. So here you are in your primary suite. You have your 2 closets, you have your clothes, all of the things. Come on in here to the primary bathroom. You have a shower, you have a linen closet. Over here you have laundry, so you don't have to go very far with your laundry, and a great soaker tub. So everything that you would need for true bungalow living is here. Whether you live with family or not, this is the perfect place to retire. The size of this basement is fantastic if you are looking to entertain. We have a gas fireplace, you have the pool table, you have what we're calling the movie pit here in the middle. So it is a lounge area that has a big screen in it. It is so fantastic to sit here with family, have movie night, watch the game. This is a really large basement with really nice windows and a walkout to a great sunroom. But you could also make this into an in-law suite. So right now it's set up to have a full bar for your entertaining needs. But if that doesn't work out for you, you can easily make this bar into a kitchen. There's still a living room down there, the walkout sunroom, and into one of the rooms down here that could be a great bedroom because it has a really huge window. And then another washroom down here. So you have a full washroom down here. This is set up so well to set up an in-law suite if you need it right away. There is basically this bedroom with a window and another small room that could be used as a gym or an office. plus all of that space in the middle, and easily you can convert it into a kitchen and have this as an in-law suite almost right away.
One thing I love about this room is not only is it the perfect place to watch a Jays game all summer long, God, please do better, but there is so much potential in this room because if it's super nice out and you want to go back, oh, there's a door. But what if you want to sit outside and still watch the game? I got something for you. Watch this. They've thought of everything in this house because this opens up and you just slide the screen out, shuffle your TV over, and you can watch the game while sitting out in this amazing backyard. Find me a better backyard than that. You'll be hard pressed.
Once you come outside of this wonderful screened-in sunroom, you are out to a fraction of the yard in this amazing pool area. So you have the pool here in front of me, you have the hot tub here, then you have this great structure which has all you need for entertaining. So you're gonna have a washroom over there with a full toilet for your guests where they can change. And then everyone's favorite, the bar. So sit up here, enjoy some shade, and have a drink at the bar. There is no better home to party in than this one. Look at the size of this yard. You are over half an acre out here. You have the fenced-in pool area, but then you still have all of this space. So if you want to go ahead and have a ladder ball tournament with friends, you're set up here to have a fire pit. And beyond that, we even have the man cave. So let's go in and check out this man cave and see what's there for someone who wants to get away from the rest of the family.
Gentlemen, I'm going to talk about this because Steph has no idea what she's talking about. She was utterly confused by how great this man cave is. Not only do you have a perfect entry area, you've got a man door over there, you have this excellent space that you can use if you just need to get away from everyone. You got a TV in here, you can watch Jays game inside, you can watch Jays game out here, you can come cry out here after the Jays lose because they're having a terrible season. It's all good. And then, when it's time to mow the lawn, come on in here where you store all of your fun equipment. Now, it's about a 2-beer lawn, so you got to pace yourself, but look at all of the room. You can store all the fun toys in here, and you need some space. Oh, I'm coming out to fix the lawnmower. I'm coming out to fix the tractor. I'm coming out to cry because the Jays are doing so bad. Everything you need is out here. It's heated. It's got a wood stove. It's got electricity. What more do you want? It's even wired for sound. Come on. Find somewhere better in a man cave. I dare you.